JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, life imprisonment for illegal guns in new proposed law. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The government is proposing a new mandatory minimum sentence of 15 years in prison for offenders convicted of illegal possession of a firearm. The government has also proposed to impose a sanction of life imprisonment for people convicted of illegal possession of 3 or more firearms or 50 or more rounds of ammunition. Those convicts it proposes will not be eligible for parole before serving 20 years in prison. The maximum penalty of life in prison remains. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Young on Thursday tabled the Firearms Prohibition and Regulations Act proposing the change. This bill introduces a much more robust framework, he said. Previously, there was no minimum sentence for firearm possession, which means judges have to use their discretion consistent with the sentencing guidelines. Chung said the government was anxious to enact the new law and on Thursday named the members of the lower house who will sit on a joint select committee to review the law. Committee members from the Senate will be named soon. In the meantime, the government has also flouted a gun amnesty amid overwhelming firearm-related crimes in the country. This amnesty will allow persons who are in possession of illegal firearms to surrender these firearms and ammunition to the state without prosecution, Chang said. While welcoming the legislation in the context of Jamaica's crime rate, defense attorney Peter Champagne QC inserted a strong caveat. He is urging lawmakers to consider the mandatory utilization of DNA testing and fingerprinting of persons in circumstances where it is said that the police have recovered a firearm from the waistband of an individual. Opposition leader Mark Golding said the new bill was a deliverable under the Crime Oversight Monitoring Committee. However, he said it was happy it was happening now. As long as we are operating within the confines of our Constitution, matters which seriously affect the safety of the nation must be met with a serious and appropriate and proportional response, he said. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.